today, Cajun shrimp pasta. This is one of our most popular pastas in this area and in this restaurant. So super easy. Tiger shrimp, 6 of them, tomatoes, andouille sausage, red onion, garlic, and then we're gonna put Alfredo and marinara. So we're making a Aurora sauce. So right now, I'm gonna throw this in here. And sizzle. Now you want to be careful that you don't cause a flame, right? Try to keep the flame low. That flame, when it mixes with the shrimp, will cause a black soot and it's a chemical taste, which you don't want. Normally you add the shrimp, you can take it off the fire first, but that pan wasn't hot enough to really do that. So I'm going to cook these shrimp. Right. I'm going to take our blackening seasoning. Right in there. Okay. So if the shrimp's getting pretty good, I'm going to take it out so you don't overcook it. Always take your shrimp out. Okay, now we're going to throw the rest in. Okay. So now your shrimp are safe. Right, you can't overcook them. Give this a good saute. Do a little bit more olive oil. Just a touch. Maybe a teaspoon. Saute. Come together. And then add our Alfredo. A little bit of marinara. It's going to create an Aurora sauce. Now if it's too thick, right, I'll take a little pasta water. Okay, it's going to help thin it out. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Good. One more Cajun. Very, very good. Right? That's exactly what you want. Take our pasta. Throw our pasta in the water. It's a linguine. Okay? Right in the pasta water. For about 30-45 seconds to liven it up. Now, we're going to throw our shrimp back in. Okay? Now, by the time that pasta is ready, right, this shrimp will be ready. Lower my heat a little bit, let it simmer around the edge. That's a good thing right there. Look how beautiful that looks. Just letting our pasta get all labeling up. More pasta in. So I'm gonna hand mix this in first to get it started. Get a nice coat. There we go. Make sure all the pasta's on top, all the shrimp is on top. Okay. Right here. Pour it on our little pasta plate. Oh, gorgeous! Look at that. Okay. Parmesan cheese. Micro basil. How gorgeous is that? That's super easy. It's got great flavor, and a lot of people like that profile. So, like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you don't miss me. Take care.